Hi and welcome. My name is Alicia, and today we talk about dry and chapped lips. Discover why 99% of people are unknowingly destroying their lips daily, and what the ultimate solution for perfect lips is. Please stop everything you're doing right now, because what I'm about to tell you will completely change how you think about your lips forever. Right now, as you're watching this video, your lips are slowly being destroyed by something you probably did this morning, and tomorrow morning you'll do it again. And the day after that. In fact, most people are unknowingly damaging their lips every single day with products they think are helping them. I recently had a client come to me in absolute desperation. Julia, 42-year-old, had been struggling with chronically dry, cracked lips for over 3 years. She had tried everything: expensive lip balms, dermatologist visits, even prescription treatments. Nothing worked. Her lips were so damaged that she was embarrassed to speak in meetings without constantly applying product. But here's the shocking part. The very products she was using to fix her lips were actually making the problem 10 times worse. And when I revealed the truth to her, she couldn't believe how simple the real solution was. The beauty industry has been lying to you about lip care. And today I'm going to expose exactly what they don't want you to know. By the end of this video, you'll understand why your current lip care routine is failing you. And more importantly, you'll have the natural solution that actually works. Let me ask you something honestly. How many times did you apply lip balm yesterday? If you're like most people, it was probably more than 5 times. But here's the terrifying truth. Each time you applied it, you were actually making your lips more dependent and more damaged. Your lips are structurally different from the rest of your skin. They have virtually no protective barrier, no oil glands to speak of, and they're constantly exposed to environmental damage. But here's what the beauty companies don't tell you. Most commercial lip products contain ingredients that actually strip away what little natural protection your lips have. I see this devastating cycle in my practice constantly. People come to me with lips that are addicted to lip balm. Yes, you heard that right. Addicted. Their lips have completely lost the ability to maintain their own moisture because they've been conditioned to rely on external products. Take my client Daisy, 38 years old. She was applying lip balm every 30 minutes. Her lips were so dependent that without constant application, they would crack and bleed within hours. She had created what I call lip balm dependency syndrome, and she didn't even know it was a real condition. The worst part? Those expensive lip treatments you're buying are loaded with synthetic fragrances, petroleum derivatives, and chemicals that cause microinflammation. Every time you apply them, you're creating a cycle of damage and temporary relief that never actually heals your lips. Now here comes the part that's going to absolutely blow your mind. The reason your lips never get better isn't because you have naturally dry lips. It's because you've been unknowingly poisoning them with the wrong approach for years. Most people think exfoliation is good for lips. Dead wrong. Your lips don't have the same protective layer as your regular skin. When you use those sugar scrubs and exfoliating treatments, you're literally removing the healthy tissue that's trying to heal itself. It's like picking at a wound and wondering why it won't heal. But it gets worse. It's those long-lasting lipsticks and liquid lipsticks that everyone loves. They contain drying alcohols and film-forming agents that create an impermeable barrier on your lips. Your lips literally cannot breathe or repair themselves underneath that chemical coating. I had a client named Maria, a 45-year-old business owner, who was obsessed with matte liquid lipsticks. She wore them daily for 2 years straight. When she finally came to see me, her lips looked like cracked desert earth. The damage was so severe that it took months of intensive natural treatment to restore them. And here's the most shocking revelation of all. Those lip masks and overnight treatments that cost $50 or more. They're completely unnecessary. In fact, most of them contain allergens like castor oil and synthetic fragrances that cause contact dermatitis, making your lips even more irritated and dependent on products. The beauty industry has convinced you that you need complex, expensive solutions when the real answer has been sitting in your kitchen cabinet this entire time. Now, I'm going to share with you the same natural protocol that transformed Daisy her lips in just 2 weeks. The same approach that has worked for thousands of my clients over the years. This solution is based on 3 fundamental principles that most people completely ignore: restoration, protection, and healing activation. And the best part? It uses ingredients that have been healing lips for thousands of years. Long before chemical companies convinced us we needed their synthetic alternatives, the foundation of this protocol is what I call the moisture sandwich technique. First, you create a base layer of natural humectants that draw moisture to your lips. Then you seal it with a protective barrier that actually allows your lips to heal underneath. Here's exactly what you need: raw honey, pure aloe vera gel, and pharmaceutical-grade petroleum jelly. That's it. 3 ingredients that cost less than $15 total and will last you months. The honey isn't just any honey. It must be raw, unprocessed honey with active enzymes. This creates a natural antibacterial environment while drawing moisture from the air directly to your lips. The aloe vera provides cooling relief and contains compounds that accelerate cellular repair. And yes, petroleum jelly, despite what natural purists say, is actually the most effective occlusive agent for creating a healing environment. But here's the secret technique that makes this protocol so powerful: timing and application method. Most people slap products on their lips randomly throughout the day. Wrong approach entirely. This treatment works on a 12-hour healing cycle. You apply it before bed and let your lips repair themselves overnight when cellular regeneration is at its peak. During the day, you use minimal protection while your lips rebuild their natural barrier function. Let me walk you through this exact protocol step by step, because precision matters when you're reversing years of damage. Evening application, the healing phase. Step 1. Cleanse your lips gently with lukewarm water only. No soap, no cleansers, nothing that will further strip your natural oils. Step 2. While your lips are still slightly damp, apply a thin layer of pure aloe vera gel. Use your fingertip and gently pat it on. Never rub or massage damaged lips. Step 3. Wait exactly 3 minutes for the aloe to absorb. This timing is crucial for proper layering. Step 4. Apply a small amount of raw honey over the aloe. The honey should be at room temperature, not cold from the refrigerator. Step 5. Finally, seal everything with a thin layer of petroleum jelly. This creates your healing chamber where regeneration happens overnight. Morning protocol, the protection phase. When you wake up, gently remove any remaining product with lukewarm water. Your lips should already feel different, softer and less tight. During the day, apply only petroleum jelly when absolutely necessary. Most people over-apply during this healing phase and interfere with the natural restoration process. The critical rules: never lick your lips during this protocol. Saliva contains enzymes that break down healing tissue. Avoid all other lip products for the first 2 weeks. This means no lipstick, no flavored balms, no tinted products. Stay hydrated from the inside. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Week 2 modifications. After 7 days, you can reduce the evening protocol to every other night. Your lips should be showing significant improvement by this point. By day 14, most clients see complete transformation. Their lips are naturally moisturized, the cracks are healed, and they no longer feel the constant need to apply products. The results from this protocol are nothing short of remarkable. I want to share some real transformations that will show you exactly what's possible. Remember Daisy from the beginning? After just 10 days on this protocol, her lips went from cracked and bleeding to naturally soft and pink. She went from applying lip balm every hour to not needing anything at all during the day. 6 months later, she still follows the maintenance routine just twice a week. Then there's Michael, a 41-year-old sales manager who had struggled with severely chapped lips every winter for over a decade. He had tried everything from expensive dermatologist treatments to prescription ointments. Nothing worked long term. Within 3 weeks of starting this natural protocol, his lips were completely healed. He now only uses the treatment during extreme weather conditions. But my favorite transformation is Lisa, a 39-year-old mother of 3. She had developed what she called mom lips, constantly dry and cracked from stress, dehydration, and using whatever lip products she could grab quickly. She was skeptical about the simplicity of this approach, but desperate enough to try it. The change was dramatic. Her lips not only healed, but actually looked younger and fuller than they had in years. The natural restoration process had rebuilt the healthy tissue structure, giving her lips back their natural volume and color. What's most amazing is that none of these clients needed to continue expensive treatments or maintain complicated routines. Once their lips healed naturally, they stayed healthy with minimal maintenance. This is the power of working with your body's natural healing mechanisms, instead of fighting against them with synthetic products. Here's what you need to do right now to start transforming your lips tonight. First, stop using all your current lip products immediately. I know this feels scary, but trust the process. Your lips need to detox from the synthetic ingredients that have been keeping them in a bad state. Second, gather your 3 healing ingredients: raw honey, pure aloe vera gel, and petroleum jelly. You can find these at any health food store or pharmacy for under $15 total. Third, commit to the full 2-week protocol without shortcuts. I see too many people try to modify the process or skip steps, and then wonder why they don't get the same dramatic results. The most important thing to remember is that your lips have an incredible capacity to heal themselves when given the right environment. This protocol simply creates the optimal conditions for that natural healing to occur. You'll start seeing improvements within the first 3 days, but the real transformation happens between days 7 and 14. By day 21, your lips should be completely restored to their natural, healthy state. Remember, this isn't just about fixing a cosmetic problem. You're actually restoring the health and function of this delicate tissue. Once healed, your lips will be more resilient, naturally moisturized, and require minimal maintenance. If this video has opened your eyes to the truth about lip care, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more natural skincare solutions that actually work. Your lips will thank you for making this change. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Comments are welcome.